This short video gives a brief introduction to the integration between the Inspired Geoportal and the Thesaurus Framework. A variant of the Inspired Geoportal has been created specifically for eENVplus in order to test and implement the integration with the Thesaurus Framework. The Inspired Geoportal has four major sections entitled Home, Browse Catalog, Discover Data, and Combine Maps. With the exception of this last section, which contains modalities for viewing and combining layers of geospatial datasets, the other three sections provide different ways of conducting searches. The most simple way to search is in the Home section, where users simply select an inspired data theme of interest. The Browse section allows for an hierarchical exploratory access to data. The third section gives the ability for conducting the most elaborate searches based on the specification of a number of different criteria. Examples include the service type, the country of the resources, as well as the inspired theme under which the resource has been classified. The integration with the Thesaurus Framework takes place in the free text area, which we call the What text box. It is here that users can type any word or part of it and get suggestions that match their keyword. Initially, the What box was linked to the Gemet Thesaurus, but for the purposes of eENVplus it was decoupled from Gemet and linked to the Thesaurus Framework instead. This allows it now to use a number of several different thesauri instead of just one. For this reason, a new drop-down menu was added that allows users to select a specific thesaurus against which to execute the searches if they choose to do so. The default setting, however, executes against all available thesauri. It is the same as choosing all. We can query separately for Gemet, for Earth, and for other thesauri. We see that in the case of the unispecies thesaurus, no results were retrieved. This is normal because, as this independent REST client indicates, the keyword natura is not part of any concept contained in unispecies, hence we get an empty response. The case is different for unishabitats, where we do get some responses. We can also query for inspired theme, something which was already implemented in the original Geoportal but is now a feature provided also by the Thesaurus Framework, the Thesaurus Theist, for inspired features, the Thesaurus Agrovoc, and every other thesaurus that is available in the Thesaurus Framework. Despite the simple implementation at the user level, something which is desirable of course, a more complex process is happening in the background. For each keyword typed, the Geoportal first retrieves the list of suggestions from the Thesaurus Framework, then by operating on each term of this list, it also retrieves related terms which could be broader, narrower, or related concepts. The results are examined, filtered, and demonstrated to the users through the drop-down menu that appears. The users can select the desired term and search by pressing the search icon. After the button is pressed, a Get Synonyms request is sent to the Thesaurus Framework to expand the user query with synonyms for the term that the user selected. In this way, all three of the major Thesaurus Framework functionalities, namely the Get Synonyms, Get Relatives, and Get Suggestions operations, are now accessible from the eENVplus Inspired Geoportal.